deeper brainstorming ideas, inventing technology to help consumers achieve tranquility and safety assurance in the automotive industry. We aim for better safety for consumers, reducing road and vehicular fatality risks related by monitoring carbon monoxide dosage into users' cabin via a warning system while complying both durability and sustainability factor. Imran Faiz bin Ahmad Rusdi, Muhammad Irfan bin Ismail, Muhammad Umar Haikal bin Muhammad Nasir, Siti Aisyah Izzah binti Azhar, Nuzawani binti Ismail.
For the problem statement, we have created this product due to the several problems that are often faced by a car's driver and their passenger. First, carbon monoxide or CO is an odorless and colorless gas, and we never realize its presence until we feel the symptom and it's too late to take action. The second is that CO is a poison. Breathing in high levels of CO can pose a serious health risk. Third, every car may face a leak in the exhaust system that can increase the levels of CO in the car. And lastly, small spaces can lead to CO exposure because CO can enter back into the exhaust.
Solution: to alert the driver or any other potential passenger of a CO leak. A CO detector can be installed in a car. The CO detector will vibrate, emit an alarm, and turn on LED to alert the driver and passenger when dangerous CO levels are found in the car.
Features of component: connected seamlessly using Type-A USB connector, which can later be plugged into various other connectors in vehicle. A power jack secondary power option were included, providing alternative connectivities for consumer and technician, ideal for easy maintenance. Carbon monoxide gas will be detected by a metal receiver, Flying Fish MQ7, which have been calibrated precisely in-house to meet regulatory requirements. High input reading of carbon monoxide will be triggered the system to beep the buzzer and blink the light to warn the user.
An Arduino Uno REV3 microcontroller board based on 80MHz 328P were programmed to control the whole system module, from detecting presence of carbon monoxide to prompting warning beep and blinks. Arduino board, a vital components of the system, are kept in a protective casing coated with high temperature and pressure resilience eco-friendly material.
Unique feature: made from an eco-friendly material of paint coat which may withstand higher temperature and pressure. For the protective case, cables and wires are protected with a thin layer of protection to help improve reliability. MQ7 Flying Fish sensor remarkably solid and accurate in sensing carbon monoxide.
Target customer: people that drive older or more than 5-year-old cars are our main target customer. However, it is also open to those who require a car safety seat. We want everyone to drive with confidence.